So here we go. Beautiful Trader Joe's Penne Arrabbiata. All I did was add Parmesan cheese as suggested on the package. That's all I did. I didn't do anything else to it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. It's finally cold in Las Vegas. It went from like 90 to like 68. So I'm happy. It's been a long, hot summer, but I'm not here to talk about the weather. Today, we're gonna do another Trader Joe's lunch, and I'm gonna like this one. This one's gonna be good. It's gonna be, I'm talking about Trader Joe's Penne Arrabbiata. As always with Trader Joe's, everything comes in the bag. The sauce, the pasta, everything's included. All we have to do is heat it up for 7 minutes and our lunch is ready. I'm actually hungry, I can't wait. So let's go make this, but before, let's go over some instructions and some nutrition facts. So the instructions are easy. It says 2 tablespoons of water or oil and cook on medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes. So we'll definitely do that. Nutrition facts: 3 servings per container. It says calories 180, total fat 4 grams, saturated fat 0.5 grams, no trans fats, 0 cholesterol, sodium is 640 milligrams, carbs 29 grams, sugar is 2 grams, and dietary fiber is 2 grams, and protein ends up being 5 grams. The pasta and everything is made in Italy, so this was made in Italy, the entire bag. So let's make this Penne Arrabbiata and see how it turns out. Looks beautiful. Penne Arrabbiata by Trader Joe's. Let's try. There we go, the first bite. It's hot. Surprised by how sweet the sauce is. I like it. Spicy level. It's not that spicy at all. I was expecting it to be spicier. Not spicy at all, guys. Let me try some more. Penne is cooked good, 7 minutes. Tomato sauce is on the sweet side. As far as the taste goes, so far the spice level on 1 to 10 would be 6 tops. It's not that spicy. I think they played it safe with this dish. So if you want to have this a little spicier, I would suggest to add your own spices to it. Maybe some chili flakes or something. As far as the dish together, it works very well together. Pasta's good, sauce is good. It's just not very spicy. I expected it to be spicier, but it's a great lunch. It was about $3.99 at Trader Joe's. It's a big serving, it's a big portion, well worth the money. Another great value from Trader Joe's. I definitely recommend Trader Joe's Penne Arrabbiata if you like that kind of stuff. If you like a little pasta on a little spicy side, $3.99 at Trader Joe's. You can't go wrong. Makes a great lunch. That's all I got for you in this video, guys. Thank you again for tuning in, hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next one.